Hello!
Wait lang.
What's up guys, it's Double G, Double O, GGYLO, and for today's video, cute naman. Yun lang guys, so mag-dinner na kami, chicken wings. So thank you again Eleni, and that's for today's vlog. Guys, I created a website portfolio sa lahat ng works ko in terms of photo and video editing. Yan, so kung gusto niyo i-check, I'll leave description below yung site na ginawa ko. Yun lang guys, see you sa next vlog. Don't skip the ads. Thank you!